Hello friends, welcome to another lecture related to e-commerce business. We are discussing about Shopify store, how we can increase your sale on the Shopify store. In the previous lecture, I told you how you can create your Shopify store, how you can choose your themes, and how to add the product, and how you can start your selling on the Shopify store. And also I told you how you can rank your Shopify store on the Google when people search about the product as you have selected for your keywords, so your product can rank on the Google as well. So first, if you want to search about the product which are mostly selling in 2022 and 2021, after analyzing data of the 2021, we can say that these products have a lot more potential in 2022. So you can search on Google best selling product on Shopify store. After searching on, you will see the different result on the bar. After going below, you will find a website name is have data name. Just open it. After opening this website, as you can see that we have opened this website. After analyzing the 2021 data in this dynamic market, it is pretty common to see various purchasing trend of online shoppers. Companies need to handpick the product they want to list on their website to remain in the competition. Below are few products, Shopify product to sell that can help business increase their sales and revenue. So the most commonly lot more people are buying it is the yoga mat. As you know that everyone is health conscious, everyone want to improve their health. So this yoga exercise is very easy and one can do this on their home as well. So for this there is a mattress for yoga. This is known as yoga mat, as you can see in the picture as well. As you can see that the increased popularity of yoga across the world has caused a surge in demand of yoga mattresses. These are also saying that there is a lot of demand of the yoga mattresses in the world. Google trend, you can search on the Google trend as well, show us a spike in demand of yoga mats over the last few years. It can be expected that the yoga mat industry will reach over $17 billion by 2025. So companies are selling yoga mats will have a stable rate of order due to increased demand. The average retail price of yoga mat is around $15. So you can get a lot of money by selling yoga mat, hence making this spot on the top Shopify store. You can earn good revenue from the selling yoga mat. Thanks for watching.